Sarah Wyngaard, U.S. immigration attorney, and I'm here today to answer your U.S. visa question of the day. So today we're going to talk a little bit about one of my favorite visas, the H-2B visa, and we're specifically going to talk about how someone can become an H-2B visa worker in the United States. Okay, so to answer the question about how you become an H-2B visa worker, there's really five requirements. Number one, obviously you're going to need a valid passport, and in most cases, your passport must be from an H-2B eligible country. Now, I'm going to put a link in the show notes below where you can figure out if your country is listed, but there's 88 countries currently listed in 2024, so take a look. Number two, you personally cannot be subject to any inadmissibility issues. So when I say that, really what I'm referring to are some of the more common reasons a worker could be denied the H-2B visa when they attend the consulate appointment. And it's going to be things like overstaying a previous visa or maybe previously working in the United States without proper authorization. Okay, on to number three. If you are already in the United States, you gotta have a legal status at the time that this gets filed. Number four, you must have the intent to return to your home country at the end of the visa, or at least leave the United States at the end of the visa, because an H-2B is what we call a non-immigrant visa, which means it does not directly lead to a green card. And on to number five, you must have a valid H-2B job offer from a US employer. Okay, so this is probably the most difficult requirement because right now there's a lot of competition for the limited number of H-2B visas available. One thing that might help you is the DOL does publish a list of employers who have filed for H-2B visas in the previous year. And I'm gonna put a link to that information in the show notes below so you can take a look. So thanks for following us, thanks for watching, and be sure to click on the link and follow us to stay up to date on all your US immigration needs.